Welcome back to the Windows Club. Is your Windows 11 PC restarting automatically when you click Shutdown? You select Shutdown from the Start menu, the screen goes off, but instead of turning off completely, your computer starts again. If you are using Windows 11 version 23H2, this problem may be related to the recent update KB5073455. In this video, we will look at why this happens and how to fix it. You can also check out our complete guide on how to stop Windows from restarting automatically after Windows update. Let's get started. Check your Windows version. Before applying any fix, first confirm your Windows version. Open Settings, then System, then About. Scroll down and check your Windows specifications. If you are running Windows 11 23H2 and this issue started after installing KB 5073455, then the update may be the reason behind the behavior. Install the replacement patch. Microsoft later released a newer update that addresses this issue. Open Settings, then Windows Update, then click Check for Updates. If this version or any latest version is available, download and install it. If you are affected by the KB 5073455 shutdown bug on Windows 11 23H2, Microsoft released an out-of-band patch KB 507797 specifically to address this issue. However, you don't always need to install this exact KB manually. If Windows Update is offering a newer cumulative update for your system, install the latest available update because it should include the previous fixes as well. You can search Windows Catalog for the update also, or wait till you get the update. After installation completes, restart your PC. Now try shutting down your computer again and check if the issue is resolved. Uninstall problematic KB 50734555 update. If the new patch is not available for your system, another option is removing the problematic update. Open Settings, then Windows Update, then Update History. Scroll down and select Uninstall Updates. Find KB 5073455 and click Uninstall. Here I am showing with this update since it is not available to me, however, the process is same. Confirm the action. After the update is removed, restart your PC and test the shutdown option again. Disable automatic restart after system failure. If your PC is restarting because Windows detects a system error during shutdown, disabling automatic restart can help identify the problem. Press Windows key plus R, type sysdm.cpl, press enter, go to Advanced, then Startup and Recovery. Click Settings. Now uncheck Automatically Restart. Click Apply. This prevents Windows from silently restarting after a system failure. Turn off Fast Startup. Fast Startup is designed to make Windows boot faster, but sometimes it can cause shutdown-related issues. Open Control Panel, go to Power Options. Click Choose what the power buttons do. Select Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now disable Turn on Fast Startup. Click Save Changes. Restart your PC and test shutdown again. Check network adapter power settings. Sometimes network adapters can prevent Windows from fully shutting down. Open Device Manager. Expand network adapters, right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Go to Power Management, disable Allow this device to wake the computer. Click OK. Repeat this for other network adapters if needed. Registry Editor Shutdown Adjustment. If the problem continues, you can modify a Windows shutdown setting through Registry Editor. Before making changes, create a registry backup. Press Windows key plus R, type Regedit and press Enter. Navigate to this path. HKey_local_machine, then System, then CurrentControlSet, then Control. Find this and open it. Wait to kill service timeout. Double-click on the right pane and reduce the value if it is unusually high. This controls how long Windows waits for services to close before shutting down. Restart your PC after making changes. Force shutdown using command prompt. If Windows refuses to shut down normally, you can force a complete shutdown using command prompt. Open command prompt as administrator, type this and hit enter. This immediately forces Windows to close running applications and power off. You can also create a shortcut using this command for quick access. Final checks. If none of these methods work, check for pending Windows updates, outdated chipset drivers, BIOS updates from your manufacturer, recently installed software causing shutdown conflicts. Most shutdown restart issues are usually related to updates, drivers, or power management settings. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.